Top 6 Best MIG Welders for 2022. Our picks. Hello peeps, today we'll take a look at the best MIG welders in the market. I made this list based on my favorite, and I'm trying to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the up-to-date prices and more information about these excellent MIG welders, you can check out the link in the description. Number 1. Forney Easy Weld 261. The Forney Easy Weld 261 is one of the best welders in the marketplace. The Weld 261 is designed for both hobbyists and professional users. The device comes with all the essential features and is easy to run. The Welding Unit features a flux core wire and permits users to choose their voltage and own wire feed. Its powerful unit has a 140 amp output that enables you to work on several steel alloys with no difficulty. The device possibly is small, but do not underestimate this little powerhouse's ability. It can generate up to a 140 amp output, and it welds metal that is up to 1/4 thick. The complete weighs 19 pounds, making it an ideal selection for a garage, workshop, or fabrication unit. Being transportable and lightweight does not mean that the machine welding is made of inferior fabrics. The welding unit has an all-casting that permits more convection, and it prevents the unit from overwarming even after non-stop utilization. Number 2. Super Deal Pro. The Super Deal Pro is one of the finest MIG welders. It is a lightweight, powerful, and intuitive top-of-the-line household welder. It is made of high-class PVC material and delicate treatment. This welding machine integrates a comfortable grip, easy operation, and high precision. It makes setup a snap with easy-to-access, advanced options. The Super Deal MIG 130 gives you the power to tackle giant jobs with ease and confidence. It weighs only 38 pounds and it is perfect for mild welding steel and stainless steel. It comes with a reel of 0.9 millimeters, 0.55 pounds welding wire, a protection mask, and a brush/chipping hammer. Number 3. Hobart 500553. The Hobart 500553 is one of the most delicate machines on the market. This welder's case is solid black with bright white switches and a neon orange power light. There are 4 switches and a rotary dial built into the welder's interface. The kit comes with a 1-pound spool of all-purpose flux core welding wire, a protection mask, and a brush/chipping hammer. That's just about everything you need to get started. The welder has a powerful built-in fan and several heat sinks. The device is compact. It weighs just 38 pounds. The onboard torch has an ergonomic trigger handle, 2 extra tips, and a long grounding wire. If you are looking for a safe, affordable, commercial flex core welder, the Super Deal Pro is an excellent option. Keep in mind that the wire is live at all times. The welding trigger only controls the feed function. Number 4. Miller Electric. This entry-level welder offers you both MIG discipline so you can work on medium projects with relative ease. We like the manual mode included with this option, allowing the operator to set the machine when welding. But the automatic functions are its best feature. It features an all-aluminum drive system, and the wire drive is robust and has a quick select feature. This welder will also automatically set itself to the correct settings you need for your project, making it easier for beginners to improve their skills and reduce beginner mistakes. If you ask my personal opinion, I would say I love this welder. I ran a 220 circuit for it, so I have not tried it on 110. I probably won't unless I need to take it outside my shop to fix something for someone. That seems fantastic about this product. I have only used it with solid wire and gas shielding. I am no expert by any means. When I tried flux core wire on a different machine, I did my work wonderfully. Number 5. Weldpro 200. If you're looking for an affordable welder that gives you the ability to enjoy the user-friendly experience of a synergistic machine without being restricted and unable to make minor adjustments, this Weldpro 200 should be at the top of your list. This multi-process unit is a must for anyone purely driven by the bottom line. although it certainly falls under the umbrella of a welder for beginners, and its user-friendliness amplifies this. We have to say that even more experienced welders might be surprised by the punch this little unit packs. If you can overlook the fact that there's not much information available online, and you're prepared to step away from the usual brands dominating the space, investing in this affordable welder might be the smartest thing you do all year. Number 6. RILAND. At just 11 pounds in weight, this excellent welder MIG from RILAND 100E is the lightest MIG welder on our list. It's an easy-to-use machine that helps you carry out home DIY and general repair jobs. It also has a convenient carry belt, making it easier to transport around the garage or off-site jobs. The RILAND MIG Welder has a built-in welding process to help fine control the output parameters for stable arc performance and less splatter. It also has an infinite voltage and wire feed speed to help support as perfect a weld as possible. The MIG Welder can weld up to a 1/4 inch and handles 0.030 inch flux core wire. The MIG Welder is small but mighty. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.